Mr. Peyman Salehi, Vice Minister of Science, Research and Technology of Iran, to take the floor.
Madam President of General Conference, Madam Director General, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, it's my honor to address the 42nd session of the General Conference of UNESCO. I would also like to congratulate you, Madam President, for presiding over this General Conference and at the same time pay a tribute to the previous president. Iran's strategic location nestled between the crossroads of East and South Asia has endowed the nation with a profound legacy of knowledge exchange. John D. Shapur, the oldest university of the world in the southwest of Iran, can be mentioned here as an example, the 1750th anniversary of whose establishment was acknowledged by UNESCO in 2017. This rich heritage of knowledge exchange is not just a relic of the past, but a living testament to Iran's enduring commitment to promoting intellectual collaboration. In this context, it is strongly suggested that the Tehran field office should be promoted to a multi-sectoral regional office and continue to embrace our unique position in facilitating cross-cultural interactions. Distinguished delegates, as a candidate for the Executive Board of UNESCO for the 2023-2027 terms, I wish to reiterate that our candidacy is imbued with our steadfast commitment to fostering global cooperation and mutual understanding through education, science, and culture alongside unwavering dedication and passion. The dignified communities of women in the Islamic Republic of Iran are not only taking their responsibilities in the society along with men, but they have sometimes overtaken their male counterparts in some aspects. In Iran, nearly 30% of faculty members and more than 50% of university students from among the 3 million strong university student population are female, which shows the active role that women play in society. Excellencies, recent incidents where the sanctity of the Holy Quran was violated challenged the fostering of mutual respect and understanding among diverse communities. These distressing events underscore the presence of forces that seek to sow discord and division among us, emphasizing the need for unity and empathy in our global society. We stand firm in our unequivocal denouncement of such acts, recognizing that compromising the sacred should never be misconstrued as an exercise of freedom of expression. Madam President, amidst the escalating crisis in Gaza, our hearts ache for the Palestinian people who, in addition to enduring 75 years of relentless aggression, violence, racial discrimination, and apartheid policies, have recently mourned the loss of over thousands of lives, notably women and children, due to devastating air and artillery strikes by the Israeli regime. We vehemently condemn these heinous acts and emphasize the urgent need to address long-lasting global challenges. In this critical context, it is imperative to underscore the significance of protecting journalists, media professionals, and associated personnel covering conflict situations as civilians. Distinguished delegates, UNESCO has long paid attention to roads and travel. It has always been valuable for us in this organization to study the history of the cultural and civilization exchanges among nations in the form of such roads as the Silk Road, Spice Route, and Salt Road. We should not, however, forget that there has always been a road throughout ages for exchanging knowledge and wisdom, besides having roads for exchanging commercial goods, which can be called Science Road, consisting of a network of roads for scientists and scientific ideas. This is the road that has linked the East of the world to the West profoundly and has acted as a messenger of peace and progress, linking scientific eminence with eminence in ethics. The most important message of the history of science for us is that the accumulation of science in one civilization and its lack of expansion would reduce the opportunity for prosperity and would result in recession and even digression. This road, which is a complex and an intertwined network of roads for exchanging science while observing ethical principles, can pave the way for the materialization of an objective which has been explicitly echoed in the preamble to the Constitution of UNESCO, wherein there is a mention of free exchange of ideas and knowledge. The Islamic Republic of Iran suggests that a program entitled Science Road be defined and initiated by UNESCO to facilitate the free exchange of ideas and knowledge, and it declares its preparation to make use of all its historical and contemporary potential in this respect. Thank you for your attention. از توجه شما متشکرم.
Thank you very much, Vice Minister.